Hi, this is Natalie with Redbeard's Outfitter. Today we're going to learn how to take a bandana and turn it into a face mask. So let's get started. First, choose your bandana. We have a lot of really great options here at Redbeard's Outfitter. You're going to flip your bandana face down and then fold from the top to the center and then from the bottom to the center. And you're going to do that again. Fold from top to center and then from bottom to center. Take 2 elastics, this could be hair ties or rubber bands, and put those on about 1/3 of the way down each side of the bandana. Then fold your edges in, and then you're going to take the elastics, you're going to put this to your face, and you're going to loop them around your ears. I hope this was helpful. Stay safe.